You always clean the wrong microwave and didn't know. To start our tip, I will start cutting a line in the middle. This tip will surprise you. Then I will add 200 milliliters of water in the container. Then I will squeeze the lime into the container, and I will stir very well to mix the lime in the water. Do not throw the remaining part in the trash. We will use later. As soon as I learned this tip, she turned routine here at home. I'm sure it will turn routine in yours too. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and then I will stir. Make this tip in your home, and then come back here to tell me what you thought, and if it had the expected result. My friends always ask me to teach how to clean the microwave. So amazing that is the result of this tip. This tip is extremely practical and effective. Using few ingredients that you sure have at home will teach you the best way to clean and remove bad smell from your microwave. I'm sure you will come back to thank me for this tip. Now I will put the remaining part of the lime in the container with the mixture, and our tip is already ready for use. Now I'm gonna take it to the dirty microwave, and then I'm gonna close up with very few ingredients in a short time, without making effort and without spending anything on cleaning products. We leave the microwave clean as if it were new. Now I'm gonna turn on the microwave for 2 minutes. I told you that. You would be surprised with the ease of the tip, but you will be even more surprised with the result. After the time, I will wait another 5 minutes before opening. Then just remove the container from the inside and clean your microwave with the greatest ease, without having to make the minimum effort. People will tell you the secret of this tip and how it works. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Dimitua Rongo from Australia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. When we put the mixture in the microwave and turn on, the water begins to heat and evaporates. This way it moistens the dirt, facilitating the removal. The lime has an acidic substance, antiseptic and antibacterial, being the main item in cleaning. And finally, the vinegar is responsible for removing all the bad odor from the microwave. This tip has become one of my main ways of cleaning here at home since when I learned now. Do not clean my microwave otherwise. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.